everybody, grab your seats and welcome to the show. Better? Fuck, dude. The fuck? Smash everything. Can I kill that? Yeah!
That night, Clank's ship came crashing from the night sky. Ratchet rescued the defective warbot, and the rest is Intergo.
Okay.
History.
Boom. But there, how's that? Sounds probably too loud now, right? Compared to the other sound? Alright, I'm just throwing shit at people now. Woo! Okay, am I supposed to go anywhere else? Look at this. It's like a recap of like the last... Woo! Double jump in the air. Just a tad more, but if I do a tad more, then when I put in other stuff, it's going to be too loud.
It is, flattering.
I'm not too loud now?
Our heroes will clear this festive barricade. Who could forget
Boom.
the Blarg invasion of Curve?
Yeah, I got a gun now.
World-class sharpshooting skills. Well, once he grabs some ammo, of course.
Yeah. I got the ammo in my hand. Am I shooting the ships?
Last, the Hall of Heroes is safe.
Hey, I think I found the wombat.
Goons for less?
This is supposed to be a reenactment of.
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
Come get some.
Someone put a bounty on us?
Oh shit. Was not expecting that.
I
Oh,
hope
look.
This is not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route.
Oop. Fuck that up.
Oh dear.
Activating Magna Boots!
Magna boots? Where you at? What am I shooting at? Oh, there you are.
That hit.
Oh, am I going to die in the tutorial? I have one hit left. Holy shit.
So much for smiling and waving, huh?
I would bet the
I need more
Blargs
help.
behind this, or the Cragmites, or Dr. Nefarious.
Ha, no way! Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Welcome to Ardonis. Watch out for swashbuckling marauders.
Oh, I killed myself. Oops.
Welcome to Ardonis. Watch out for swashbuckling marauders.
I killed myself. Oh shit.
Oh, really brings you back to the good old days.
What the hell? There we go. They can hit me in the air? What the fuck is this? Okay. Shoot that.
Bring it on, Scrawny! Love that Scrawny bullet!
Our heroes vanquished is the enemy. Now, ye must walk the dangerous plank of doom.
Why can't I pick this up? It's weird. Get all these nuts and bolts so I can upgrade weapons and stuff later.
There, we can glide over.
Okay. Use cover to avoid taking damage. Cover? When did we get cover for Ratchet and Clank? What is this? Boom. Oh yeah, I can jump off walls and stuff. Okay. Oh, okay, they're behind me. Okay. No worries. Where are they? Oh, they're just spawning. Okay. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Am I just supposed to fight these guys? What the hell?
Let's take out that dropship and end this.
Where's the dropship? Is that the dropship? No, that's the ship I jumped off last time.
Taking down their dropship would put a stop to this.
Ba-na-na-ba. Okay, so I can just use cover now. That's weird. Boom. Dropship dead.
A little rusty, but not too bad.
Are they gone? Oh. And
Boom.
we reach the present of our hero's story.
Yeah.
The last known Lombax, whose kind is lost in another dimension, will receive a mysterious gift from Clay.
Is it another Lombax? Is it a mate?
I had a speech prepared, but considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot to... I have replaced
Okay.
the dimension, so you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
Oh, so I'm supposed to go to my old dimension, so I'm leaving this one? I guess that's why it's called, Rift Through the Past or something like that. What is it called?
What a wonderful surprise! I didn't expect to see you here. Considering
Rift
the
Apart.
Biggles were meant to annihilate you 8 minutes ago.
Oh, what do you want, Nefarious?
Yes.
No. Yes. That works too. Something apart. Alright, what is this Dr. Nefarious trying to do? He stole my Dimensionator, and he got attacked by a fish thing.
Ambulance anymore?
Now he broke it. Hello. Yeah, Dr. Nefarious is definitely doing something nefarious, that's for sure. Hi, Ashley. Na-na-na-na-na. Oh shit, they ripped the ship apart. Am I supposed to be platforming?
Away from Dr. Nefarious.
Yes, and quickly has planned, it cannot be good.
Okay. Let's go, baby. Oh shit. Ratchet, you gotta be more careful. Oh shit. Get juked, bitch. Big red button?
Wait, perhaps we can put Quark's pyrotechnics to use.
Did I just blow him up with fireworks? How Nathan Drake of him to catch himself on the ledge. Exactly. Ugh.
I should have known Nefarious would try something like this.
Don't beat yourself up.
Everybody just ran away from us.
Just like old times. Come on. It looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station. Go, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Need a weapon? Mrs. Zircon has it all.
Yes. Scatter bomb. Feel the power of the omniverse in the palm of your hand. With the explosives and balls of energy that tear apart baddies in reality. Singles. I think this was the one I liked.
What is better than watching explosives? Throwing them with your bare freaking hands! Pull the fire trigger halfway to visualize your aim. Or
Okay.
that one will look amazing in your art.
Okay.
More goons incoming.
Yeah. All right. Let's do this. Oh, I didn't throw that far enough. Oh, he's still alive? Use this. Oh, they blew up the cover. Oh, they blew up the cover again. I got a juke. Got a juke. Gotta get this out. Oh, there's one over here? Oh my god. I hate this gun. Select weapon. There we go.
Train's pulling away. Let's go.
Okay. Okay. Is there a health here somewhere? Somewhere? Health? 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 No? Okay. Still shooting at me. Health. Okay. Did I get ammo too? Oh no. Oh no, cutscene!
Put down the dimension.
I killed those citizens, are you sure?
The Dimensionator.
You can disassemble cars in seconds.
Hey, you will see what losing
Don't you speak to me like that, Dr. Nefarious.
exhausting. As soon as I figure out these
Well, maybe you should stop losing and it won't be so exhausting.
say goodbye. Hey! What did you do?
Apparently I shot the destabilizer or whatever. Oh, nice. Maybe those people deserve to be scatter bombed, okay? The fuck is that?
What just happened?
That looked like Sid's mom.
May have a slight
Holy shit.
problem.
The bridge is shot. There has to be another way across.
Yeah, double jump
The
and
wind's
glide.
reacting to the face quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
What?
Did you see that?
That was rather exciting.
That was pretty badass.
Ride the train to Bountyville.
Boom. Ooh. I got help though. It works.
I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these guys.
Not really enough.
What the fuck? This is why I never used this gun before. Damn it, dude. Vinny has a new wand from Sid's mom. Oh yeah. It's fucking gross, dude. There we go. Okay.
I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these guys.
Not nearly enough. Rather
Oh shit. There we go. Okay. Got my ammo. Got that. Waiting on Ratchet to say Sid's mom.
This is
I don't think he'll confirm it.
imagined.
I think he wants it left to our imagination, you know? That is Sid's mom. Look at it. Fucking hideous. What is going on here? Yeah, I just asked the same thing. And shark. Oh, shit. I remember these from the skateboard level. Ah. Oh, shit. That was pretty cool. Okay. Get my health up.
Might as well give up.
Was that a kraken?
Or at least a very large octopus.
That guy booked it. He ran away from Ratchet. You know when that term Ratchet was used for women? I was like, they don't look anything like Ratchet. And people would like post a picture of a Ratchet and I would post a picture of this. Because this is the only Ratchet you need.
Nefarious is
Even if you're working with tools,
way up there.
The
use a
taxis
different
on
tool.
that stand are driving right by him.
Then we better not miss our ride.
I can rip through that.
When did you rebuild the dimensioning?
I have hobbies, and I know that finding the Lombaxes has always been important to you. I thought perhaps we could go-
Okay, before I use that rip, let me look around.
That's really thoughtful. But why don't we get it back from Nefarious first?
No, come here. I need to. This is a cool new feature. I fucking love it. Oh shit! What just happened? Where am I going? Am I going here? Am I go? Oh, I'm dead. Don't die. Okay. All right. So I gotta go up here. Where am I supposed to go from here? Huh? Up there? Boom. Oh, so I tear it to me. I don't go to it. Manual not available? What do you mean? This says Mets Yankee game. What do I want to watch? Matt Yankee. Hold this to sprint. You sure? Sure that's what I hold to sprint? Let me think before going there. We check everywhere. Come on, travel agency, give me stuff. Give me another Mr. Zappo. Boom. Oh, cool, I can hang on here.
These rifts are getting out of hand.
You thought the same thing about what? What did I say? That this is the only ratchet you need?
Whoa! Hey!
Yeah.
Never go planet hopping without ample supplies.
Fuck yeah.
Mrs. Zircon will be here.
Half, single barrel, full, double barrel. What? What does half mean? I can pull this to me, right? And then just...
Did Dr. Nefarious really resurface after all these years just to try and take over the universe again?
Yeah, I kind of wish he was doing a worse job.
Okay.
Don't let him get to the boss!
Just going to hide here. Get my scatter bomb ready for all these little guys. Oh shit! Shit, 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 shit! Blow you up. Oh, no way. Can't shoot that far, can I? Oh shit, I died. Okay. Yeah. Do I have to... Can I upgrade any of these? No, there's no upgrade yet. Let's...
Did Dr. Nefarious really resurface after all these years just to try and take over the universe again?
Yeah, I kind of wish he was doing a worse job.
Okay, so I can like switch spots and give myself like better angles and shit.
More mutts.
Sorry, bitches. Damn it.
Are you all right? Nice.
I think I like my normal pistol better than both weapons. Okay.
Now let's get to Nefarious.
Yeah. Alright, I'll stop dying, guys. I do have it on the hardest difficulty, though, so... Sorry if I do die.
Quickly, we cannot let Nefarious overuse the Dimensionator. We must lower his defenses.
Lower... Oh! Sorry. We gotta... Okay, I think I figured it out. I have to lower his defensive though.
Take that, Nefarious.
Watch your step.
Wait, why can't I jump over that?
His defenses are weakening. That looked rather painful.
Damn it. Okay. I gotta figure out this fighting better. Can I throw bombs at him? I can't fucking outrun this bitch?
Toads are so unpleasant.
Gotta get away. Hey. Okay. Easy there. Prediction: Biggles wins.
Yes, run from me.
I just need to. Oh shit!
Oh dear, he is targeting us.
Go away. Shit, that didn't work the way I thought it would. Shit, there's a bunch of tears.
Amoeboids. Where did Nefarious find these?
Today my ultimate plan will come to fruition. It is perfect.
That's such a cool feature, man.
How many times have we heard that?
Probably around 80. Nah,
It doesn't matter.
Wait, did we just get an automatic upgrade now?
Last time.
Really? Oh shit. Hey, stop moving. Trying to hit you with scatter bombs. How do I weaken your defenses? Oh, didn't make that jump. Aw, damn it. Dodge that. Okay, weaken the defension.
You think
Defenses.
crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes.
Well, think again.
Am I forced to watch the
Going to a dimension
Met Yankee game on a Yankee channel?
win, so you
Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me.
know it feels.
What did I do to deserve this?
The dimensions are weakening considerably.
Oh, I forgot to jump.
How bad is it?
You think I need a dimension door when he follows with the laser?
Well, it is certainly not good.
Right.
Donut.
Where are we?
It's me.
Do I have to fly this thing? I just took damage there. I can't even fucking control this shit. Kraken?
Boy.
we've been boarded. Get off me ship, foul creature.
Oh shit. Bye. I'm not even in the same dimension anymore.
all the neon.
This is the part where you lose.
Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and even follow my Twitch.